Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a brochure on Google Docs. Firstly, open Google Docs and choose the blank document option on the welcome screen. Brochures are usually in landscape format, so go to Format, Page Orientation, and select Landscape. Now, adjust margins to around 0.25 inches to maximize space. Then go to File, Page Setup, and set top, bottom, left and right margin to 0.25 inches too. For basic layout, you can use a table to create columns. Go to Insert, then Table, and select two columns in one row. Adjust the table to fill the page vertically by dragging the column height down. Inside each column, add your text by typing or pasting in it, and then for images, you can upload from your device or import directly from the web. You can customize your brochure's appearance by changing the font styles, colors, and background colors for each panel. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Your brochure is now ready. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.